everyone, welcome back. This week we'll be making one of my favorite Indian dishes, chana masala or spiced chickpeas. This is a rather easy dish to make and can be made in about 30 minutes or less. To begin, destem 2 green chilies, these are Serrano peppers. Peel a 2-inch chunk of ginger. Using a spoon is actually very helpful here to peel and then roughly chop it. Crush and peel 7 cloves of garlic and add everything to the bowl of a food processor or blender and process until you have a fine green paste and reserve for later. Peel and small dice a medium yellow onion. I don't blend this in with the other aromatics because it adds some additional texture to the complete dish, which is otherwise entirely comprised of chickpeas. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds along with 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds. For our ground spices, we will need 1 heaping tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and half a teaspoon of curry powder. This will be as delicious as it is fun to pretend like you're in your own miniature spice market. Drain 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas into a strainer and shake off any excess aquafaba. We will also need a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Into a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. You can use regular butter if you want as well, and add your onions once it begins to shimmer. We don't want any color here, just sweat them until translucent and fragrant. Add your whole spices and stir until very fragrant, which should take about 15 seconds. Then add in your garlic chili paste and stir for about 30 seconds before adding in your ground spices. These can burn rather quickly, so add your crushed tomatoes after about 10 seconds in the pan. Burnt spices have a horrible acrid taste, so it's best to avoid that. Stir in your tomatoes and add in 1 cup of water, a 2-finger pinch of salt, and add in your chickpeas. Allow this to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. Add in 1 tablespoon of roughly chopped cilantro and you're ready to serve. I simply like to serve this over a pile of white rice, garnished with some torn cilantro leaves and a squeeze of lemon for some added freshness. And there you have it, delicious, spicy, and fragrant chana masala, which is perfect for a weeknight meal or tomorrow's lunch. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more.